Welcome to Grammar with Altaf. Today we will practice English tenses with simple exercises for beginners.
I will guide you through short exercises and answers. Practice with us and check your tense choices.
Exercise 1. Fill the blank with present simple or present continuous. She go to school every day. She go to the market right now.
Answers 1, goes. 2, is going. Present simple for habits. Present continuous for actions now.
Exercise 2. Choose past simple or present perfect. I visit my cousin last week. I visit my cousin several times.
Answers 1, visited. 2, have visited. Past simple with finished time. Present perfect for experience without time.
Exercise 3. Past continuous or past simple. They play football when the rain started. They play football yesterday.
Answers 1, were playing. 2, played. Use past continuous for an action in progress, past simple for finished events.
Exercise 4. Future simple or future continuous. I call you tomorrow. I call you at 8 p.m. tomorrow.
Answers 1, will call. 2, will be calling. Future continuous shows an action in progress at a future time.
Exercise 5. Use present perfect or present perfect continuous. She work here since March. She work for 3 hours and now she is tired.
Answers 1, has worked or has been working. 2, has been working. Both are possible for the first, but the second focuses on duration and result now.
Exercise 6. Correct the mistakes. I have seen him yesterday. She don't like coffee. He was go to school.
Corrections. 1, I saw him yesterday. 2, she doesn't like coffee. 3, he went to school.
Exercise 7. Change from present to past. I eat breakfast at 7. She is reading a book now.
Answers 1, I ate breakfast at 7. 2, she was reading a book then. Use past simple and past continuous as needed.
Exercise 8. Make questions. You finish at homework? Present perfect. They arrive yet? Present perfect.
Answers 1, have you finished your homework? 2, have they arrived yet? Present perfect questions use have, has, plus past participle.
Exercise 9. Short dialogue practice. Read and choose the tense. A. Where is Ali? He leave an hour ago. B. He go to the market now.
Answers A, left, past simple with finished time. B, has gone, present perfect to show result now, or is going, present continuous if he is on his way. Explain choices.
Exercise 10. Use since or for. I have lived here 2019. I have studied English 2 years.
Answers 1, since 2019. 2, for 2 years. Use since for a point, for a length of time.
Quick review tips. Read signal words. Ask when to pick past simple. Ask how long to pick perfect continuous, and look for now at the moment for continuous forms.
Practice plan. Do 3 short exercises every day. Read the sentence, find the time word, pick the tense, then check the answer.
Exercise 11. State verbs and action verbs. Look at these verbs. Know, like, love, hear, see, believe. Can you use them in continuous? Make correct sentences.
Hint: most state verbs are not used in continuous. Say, I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer. Use continuous for actions like I am listening or I am studying.
Exercise 12. Mixed tense practice. Fill the blanks. 1. She finished the test and now she is relaxed. 2. He run when I saw him. 3. By noon, they work for 5 hours.
Answers: 1. Has finished. 2. Was running. 3. Will have been working. Notice result, background action, and future duration.
Final practice tip. Read aloud and explain your choice.
Write 3 sentences about your day using different tenses and check them with a friend.
Final quick test. Fill the blanks. They finished the work already. I see that movie last month. She study since morning.
Answers: 1. Have finished. 2. Saw. 3. Has been studying. Check signal words. Already last month since morning.
So, what have we learned in this video? We practiced many common tenses with clear exercises and simple corrections to help beginners.
And we learned how to choose tenses by looking for time, words, and meanings. Keep practicing these exercises and your tense use will improve.